Hello, folks, on a Saturday. Hope it's been a good day for you. Hope the deer hunters got some deer this morning, and I hope you have a fine fun evening to look forward to. We got pretty weather out there, perfect weather for a winter chill, if you will. But it's dry at least. We don't have to worry about sleet or snow with this kind of stuff. The sun will be setting soon here in Alexandria, Pineville, and Cenla. Mostly clear sky. There's still some high clouds left, but not a lot of it. We look in Gina, likewise. There's the same sun and same mostly clear sky. A little bit more high clouds back up toward Toledo Bend there, but a beautiful view nonetheless on a beautiful reservoir. All right, it will be cold again tonight, and rain returns next week. Stay tuned for the details, folks. I've got it coming up just in a few minutes. Right now, we're looking at the surface features. Here's the cold high, retreating a bit, but there's still a chill left behind. So not all the cold air is going with the high. We see next systems kind of stacked up to the north. Looks like another front will come in probably somewhere in the Sunday, Monday timeframe. I've got officially on the 7-day, I've got it coming in on Monday. But yeah, we got one more reinforcing front before the weather changes up on us and gets wetter. Church time in the morning, mid-morning, no issues there. It'll be a chilly start though, but we'll see temperatures climbing back into the 60s, I'd say. For most of the day on tomorrow. Futurecast going into Sunday evening, beautiful evening, back to church or out having some shopping chores done. And then Monday, it's back to reality for a lot of folks as it's back to work and school, but the weather will cooperate, so no issues coming in for Monday. In fact, by the time you go home, no problems either, no rain expected. It'll just be kind of stable, and we'll see no rain chances until next week. Here's the upper level pattern. Notice the cold air still really punching into the northeastern portion of the country. What we're feeling right now is a little dip in that cold air, which is kind of retreated out well up to the northeast of us now. But the cold air is still dense and it's heavy, so it kind of lingers. You got to have something else. You've got to have something to push it in, but you also have to have something else to push it out. So right now, the chilly air is with us. But with this kind of up-level pattern, we'll see some moderation in temperature, but then going beyond the 7-day forecast. So that, what I stopped right there, that keeps us into the 7-day forecast. Beyond the 7-day forecast, I have a couple of outlooks for you. Notice how the pattern changes with the cold air once again dipping to the south. We call this a trough. There's another disturbance back behind that will kind of, when this trough gets out of the way to the northeast, this one will take its place. So there'll be a big pattern change. Look what happens up east. The complete opposite, a major swing in the weather pattern up east, as they'll be stung by the cold, but this is going to warm it up and kind of thaw things out a bit up in that area. And in this pattern, well, we generally have warmer and wetter conditions than normal here in Cenla. So drum roll, please. Here are the details. Going into Sunday, 32, so it'll be another chilly start Sunday morning. Some of you will freeze, probably about 50-50 of you. Some folks could be as cold as 29, I'd say 35, 36 on some other thermometers, 34, another chill on Monday morning. A few of you will get a light freeze then, 31, 32, not out of the question. In some places, bright sunshine during the day, clear skies at night, allowing those temperatures to drop. And a front comes in Monday, kind of reinforcing things. We're back to 32 there for Tuesday morning and 58 for your high. So that front making a little difference. It's just kind of keeping it dry through Tuesday. But then changes come rather quickly from the southwest as we see a little bit of area, maybe a kind of a surface low part of that in the Gulf of Mexico and so forth and so on going on there. Notice a warming trend Wednesday into Thursday, but still not warm by our standards. 55 is warm for nighttime. 65 is pretty close to the average. And notice the cooling trend coming in Friday and Saturday with a second front that will come in. But in between, we've got a weather pattern that's going to kind of stay with us 3 or 4 days there. As I've got high rain chances Wednesday through Saturday. Some models are indicating there could be some significant rainfall totals out of that 4-day spell. But suffice it to say right now that I have the likelihood of it each day from Wednesday through Saturday. So some of the totals could add up if we can get some locally heavy rainfall in places there from that kind of pattern. So unfortunately, not much sun going to be seen during that time frame. So yeah, we've got beautiful weather the next 3 days afterwards. It's going to be hard to find the sun, and it's going to be hard to find a dry place as well. That's it for me. Nick Mickens will be back with you tomorrow. I'll be in the Forecast Center. Take care and have a blessed Sunday.